If you are here right now, it is not by accident. Something in your body, your mind, or your heart needs attention, and you sensed it was time to come back to God for strength. Health is not only about the body feeling better, it is about wholeness returning to every part of your life. Let's slow down together for a moment. Breathe. You are allowed to pause. God never rushes healing. Psalm 103 verses 2 and 3 says, "Bless the Lord, O my soul, and forget not all his benefits, who forgives all your iniquities, who heals all your diseases." Healing is not an afterthought to God. It is part of his nature. The same God who forgives also restores. That means nothing you are facing physically or emotionally is too small or too complicated for him. Some days the pain is obvious. Other days it is hidden. Fatigue that does not go away. Stress that settles into the body. Worry that tightens the chest. Isaiah 53 verse 5 reminds us, "By his wounds we are healed." This speaks to more than one kind of healing. It reaches the places medicine cannot touch, the wounds no one else sees. Stay with this moment a little longer, because healing often begins with understanding. Proverbs 17 verse 22 tells us a cheerful heart is good medicine. God cares about your inner life because he knows your thoughts and emotions affect your strength. When peace enters the heart, the body begins to respond. Many people who return to prayers like this daily notice something slowly changing. Their sleep improves. Their stress lessens. Their hope grows stronger even before symptoms disappear. Healing is sometimes a process, and God walks through every step of it with you. James 5 verse 15 speaks about the prayer of faith making the sick well and the Lord raising them up. Faith does not deny reality. Faith invites God into it. Right now, you are doing exactly that. You are not weak for needing rest. You are not failing because your body needs care. Even Jesus paused, withdrew, and restored his strength. Your healing matters. Let us remain here together a little longer because healing is not only about the body feeling better, it is about the heart learning how to breathe again. What you are doing right now is an act of faith, even if it feels quiet, even if it feels small. God honors moments like this. There are mornings when strength feels distant and nights when pain or worry refuses to let you rest. There are questions you may never say out loud. Why is this taking so long? Why does my body feel like it is fighting me? Why do I feel tired even when I try to stay hopeful? God sees every one of those questions, and he is not offended by them. Jeremiah 30 verse 17 speaks directly into moments like this. "I will restore you to health and heal your wounds." Restoration is not rushed. It is careful. It is intentional. God does not patch you up and send you on your way. He rebuilds. He restores what feels worn down, what feels fragile, what feels like it has been carrying too much for too long. Sometimes healing begins when you stop blaming yourself. You did not fail because your body needs rest. You are not weak because you need help. Psalm 41 verse 3 reminds us that the Lord sustains us on our sickbed and restores us from illness. That means even in weakness, God is actively at work. Even when you feel still, he is moving. There is also healing for the mind that has been living in constant alert mode. Anxiety tightens the body. Fear drains energy. God knows this. Isaiah 26 verse 3 promises perfect peace to those whose minds are stayed on him. Peace does not wait until everything is fixed. Peace arrives first and healing often follows. Stay with this prayer because presence matters. Many people have shared that when they stopped rushing through prayer and started lingering, something shifted. Their pain felt less overwhelming. Their fear lost its edge. They felt supported even on hard days. Healing became a journey instead of a battle. Psalm 147 verse 3 says God heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. Some wounds are visible, others invisible. Emotional pain often settles into the body, and God knows exactly where comfort is needed. When the heart is soothed, the body begins to respond. When hope is restored, strength slowly returns. You are allowed to hope again. You are allowed to imagine days where you wake up with more energy, clearer thoughts, and lighter emotions. 3 John 1 verse 2 speaks God's desire clearly, that you may enjoy good health and that all may go well with you. This is not wishful thinking. This is God's heart toward you. There may be setbacks along the way, but setbacks do not cancel God's promises. Healing is rarely a straight line. It unfolds in layers. Each prayer you return to adds another layer of peace, another reminder that you are not alone. If you choose to come back each day, even for a few quiet minutes, you will notice changes. You may sleep a little better, breathe a little deeper, react with a little less fear. All over the world, people who commit to daily prayer speak of renewed strength, restored health, and a deeper trust in God's timing. Come back again tomorrow. Let this be a place you return to when your body needs reassurance and your heart needs rest. God is patient. God is faithful. God is present in every step of healing. Let us close with a simple prayer. God, thank you for being close to us. Thank you for caring about every part of our health, body, mind, and spirit. Bring strength where there is weakness, peace where there is fear, and rest where there is exhaustion. We trust you with our healing and place ourselves in your loving hands. Amen.